All right, so here we are inside of a ClickFunnels 2.0 page builder. And so what we've done here is on any page where you want to use SamCart's embed, right? What you're going to want is likely one multi-column section like this one where we've got some content over here on the left and some content over here on the right. Something that is likely at least kind of like 2/3 over here, 1/3. You wouldn't want to make this area on the right too skinny. This is about right as it kind of stands right now. And a lot of their kind of base templates have this kind of space. But anyway, and then all you need to do is just add an element over here on the right. And I'm just going to search for code, HTML and JavaScript. I have clicked on the button, so it has placed my widget over here. And then I just need to go to SamCart and grab the embed code for the product that I'm trying to sell. So I'll go back over to SamCart. I'm going to click on the products tab over here in the top left. From my products tab, I know what I'm looking for is a SamCart. This is the product I'm looking for right here. So search for the product you want. And then inside of this product, we've done some cool stuff already. So in the payments tab, I've turned on digital wallets, which is our one-click Apple Pay and Google Pay. We have added a order bump of which you could go ahead and continue to add multiple, right? So something someone can add to their cart as they are checking out. We've turned on alternative payment methods, which is stored credit cards and buy now, pay later. Just all the good technology that SamCart has is ready to go. And then we're going to click on the Checkout Anywhere tab. Checkout Anywhere is where you have embed code or a link to this checkout as an express kind of like standalone lightning fast page. I'm going to grab embed and I'm going to click copy embed code. And we're going to head back over to ClickFunnels and I'm going to open up this, click on that JavaScript HTML element and then open code editor. And I'm just going to paste it in. So here's a cool part right here is you can do some really fun stuff. That's there's a great feature in SamCart called auto discounting. And so right where this thing you see in the embed code, which again is very, very lightweight, says coupon equals and then has 2 quotation marks. If I were to go back to SamCart and then go to, right now it's on the offers tab, and go down to what coupons apply to this product. You can see right here, I've got 2 coupons, 50 off. We'll save 50% or save fire 20 saves 15%. So I'm going to use that coupon code 50 off. I'm going to go back to ClickFunnels and I'm just going to type in 50 OFF. That's the coupon code that we have set up for this product. I'm going to go ahead and click out and we can save our changes. And just like that, if we go ahead and render this page, you guys will see we'll have a nice, beautiful SamCart embedded checkout waiting for us right here on our ClickFunnels page. So right from this page, not only do we have a SamCart checkout, but we have that coupon code already applied, which is absolutely wild. We've got multiple order bumps where someone can add other things to their cart as they're checking out. We have payment plans where someone can, choose between paying in full or breaking up their payments, or they could choose between, a regular package and an upgraded package with more stuff. They've got stored credit cards with Stripe Link. They've got one click with Google Pay. If I was on a phone, it would be Apple Pay. They've got Affirm and Klarna and Afterpay, things down here for buy now, pay later options. And they'll be able to buy and purchase all within that one experience right from your ClickFunnels page. So that is how we're going to get the power of what SamCart offers in the checkout experience onto pages built with ClickFunnels. If you guys want to learn more about SamCart, head over to samcart.com and check that out.
Test SamCart against your ClickFunnels checkout today. If SamCart doesn't pay for itself, then you don't pay a dime for it. Get a free trial and set up your test today by visiting samcart.com.